Super Plus from Super.com is a $15 a month membership, or $180 annually, that combines a secured credit card, cashback rewards, travel discounts, and a few quirky earning opportunities into one app. Members get 1% cash back on everyday purchases with the Supercard and up to 10% back on hotel bookings through Super.com. There is no credit check to apply for the Supercard, which reports to all three major credit bureaus, making it appealing for people trying to build or rebuild credit. It also includes cash advances up to $250 with no interest, plus deep travel and lifestyle savings like up to 50% off hotels and discounts on flights, car rentals, gas, prescriptions, and even theme park tickets. The app itself acts as a hub for travel booking and finance tools, and you can even earn small cash boosts by playing games or taking surveys. The drawbacks are worth noting. At $180 a year, the membership is not cheap, and many of its perks, like redeeming earnings to your bank account, are locked behind the paywall. If travel is not a big part of your spending, it can be hard to justify the cost, and some of the credit building and cash advance perks are also offered by cheaper services. Reviews about customer service are mixed, with recurring complaints of slow responses, booking issues, and difficulties getting refunds. While many report great hotel savings, others have been hit with unexpected fees or found their reservations were not honored. The model works best for someone who uses the travel perks heavily, takes advantage of the cashback offers, and regularly engages with the app's extra earning features. In short, Super Plus can deliver strong value if you travel often and need an easy entry credit building tool without a credit check. But for occasional travelers or people with better credit options available, the high cost, paywall restrictions, and customer service concerns mean the risks of not getting your money's worth are real.